In exercise 1.4, we are asked to simplify the following, leaving your answers in indices form. So this is equal to 3 raised to the power of 11 minus 9, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 7 raised to the power of 9 minus 6, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of 3. And for number 3, this is equal to bracket a plus b raised to the power of 5 minus 3. The bases are the same, which is equal to bracket a plus b all squared. For 5 minus 3 is 2. This is equal to m to power 3f minus f, which is equal to m to power, this is 3f minus 1f, and that gives us 2f. Question 5, this is equal to, we have coefficients, so you divide 24 divided by 18 into c raised to the power of 5 minus 3. This is equal to 6 can divide. 6 into 18 is 3 times. 6 into 24 is 4 times. So your answer becomes 4 over 3 c raised to the power of 5 minus 3 is 2. While for question 6, this is equal to, you also divide 72 by 24 times a raised to the power of 9 minus 7 times b raised to the power of 8 minus 5. So that this is equal to 24 into itself is 1. 24 into 72 is 3 times. So this is said to be 3a raised to the power of, you simplify, 9 minus 7 is 2, b 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is your answer. For question 7, this will be equal to d raised to the power of 9x minus 6x, which is equals to d raised to the power of 3x. For question number 8, this is said to be 7 raised to the power of a minus b. And since they are not like terms, you cannot subtract. Question number 9 is an exercise for you to do. So kindly solve this and let me have your answers in the comment section. The first 5 answers that will come from learners, each of you will be entitled to a 500 naira airtime of your choice. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also follow me on Facebook at my lesson teacher Matt. Kindly use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You are also advised to share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Thank you for being part of today's class. In a subsequent class, we shall look at other laws of indices as it is applied. Thank you for your patience and do have a nice day.